One of the things that's going to happen, and is already happening, but many organizations aren't aware of it, is that disruption is going to eliminate entry-level jobs. So everybody understands that that's happened in manufacturing. We see robotics taking place of jobs that were done by human beings before, but it's also going to affect education, it's going to affect banking and financial services, it's going to affect other professional jobs. So let's look at banking as an example. Banking and insurance companies utilize call centers, have for a long period of time. That's taken over a lot of the functions that happened at a bank branch, for example. People call the call center, and now people aren't going into bank branches anymore. RBC has a fantastic online robot. I have a credit card with RBC, and so when I called to pay my balance, I was pleasantly surprised with this robot that actually has a personality. I don't have a need to talk to a customer service rep. I don't need to have a conversation with anybody in the call center. So those call center jobs are going to be eliminated. Those call center jobs and the jobs in the bank branches, and similarly in the insurance company, the people on the other end of the phone, those are the entry-level jobs for those organizations. What does that mean for the students graduating from university? What are those next and new entry-level jobs going to be? They're still going to want to bring in those young, bright people, but those jobs aren't going to exist anymore. So they need to be ahead of the curve in figuring out what other jobs are we going to bring them into.